Our first date, we went to Clinton, Iowa, and met at a bar there.
He dropped his drink. We went dancing and had a few cocktails, and he was so nervous talking to me, he spilled his drink on the floor. Favorite thing about him is not just one thing. It's how smart he is and how safe he is and how much he unconditionally believes in me.
She's always got a new idea. She's always got something coming up that keeps me hopping.
We are gathered here today in the face of this company to join together Timothy Andrew Metzger and Sheleigh Marie Martin in matrimony, which is an honorable and solemn estate, and therefore is not to be entered into lightly, but reverently and soberly. Into this estate, these two persons present come now to be joined. Are you each here of your own free will?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you each here knowingly and voluntarily?
Yes.
Have you each considered and thought about the marriage contract you are about to enter?
Yes.
And having both stated your consent to enter into matrimony, if anyone can show just cause why they may not be joined together, let them speak now or forever hold their peace.
Tim, before you, I never fully understood how much real love could actually change a person's life. Your belief in me has changed me for the better, and it was a gift, one that I didn't know that I deserved or that I would ever have. From our first hello, you accepted me for who I am. You never tried to change me. You've only encouraged and loved me even when I was at my worst. For the first time, I felt safe. You strengthen my weaknesses, you bring focus to my dreams, and you make me a better version of myself. I am beyond proud of you and the man that you are, and I'm very lucky to be your wife. Seeing you smile is one of the greatest joys in my life, and I promise I'll do everything to always keep you smiling. I'll promise to fill our lives with as much laughter and joy as possible, with as little sadness as possible. I promise to spend my days making every effort to deserve you. I promise to comfort you when Notre Dame loses. I promise to cheer for them except for when they're playing Bama. And I promise to attempt to laugh at all of your dad jokes. Tim, you are my friend for life, my best friend. I pledge to respect, encourage, and support you through this journey together. When we experience a rough road, I promise to stand by you. And I promise to remember that because of our love and our bond, we will always be better together. I promise to work on our love and always make you a priority. With every beat of my heart, I will love you, and this is my solemn vow.
Oh, wait, I'm coming back from that one. But anyway, Sheleigh Marie, everything I've done in life has led me to this day. You're my rock, my inspiration. My best friend. Today we've become one. With you, I've learned to ride the storm, not fight it. You're my little tornado. We're truly better together. We know what the other's thinking, we understand. You lift me up. You know how to deal with me as far as when I'm being me.
The wedding ring are a symbol of longevity in the marriage covenant. The circle of the ring symbolizes a never-ending circle of love and commitment that you are making. So, Tim, you're going to repeat after me. If you place the ring on her finger, Sheleigh, you're going to repeat after me. Sheleigh,
Sheleigh,
I give this ring to you as a sign of my love.
I give this ring to you as a sign of my love.
I give myself to you to be your husband.
I give myself to you to be your husband.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone.
I feel so honored to have you as my wife.
I feel so honored to have you as my wife.
I vow to love and sustain you
I vow to love and sustain you
in the covenant of our marriage
in the covenant of our marriage
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
And with this ring I thee wed.
And with this ring I be wed.
Now you're going to put the ring on his finger, Sheleigh. And repeat after me. Tim, I give this ring to you as a sign of my love.
I give this ring to you with the sign of my love.
I give myself to you to be your wife.
I give myself to you to be your wife.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone.
I feel so honored to have you as my husband.
I feel so honored to have you as my husband.
I vow to love and sustain you
I vow to love and sustain you
in the covenant of our marriage
in the covenant of our marriage
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
And with this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
Always see the best in each other, and each day that you are together. When you look at the beauty of these rings, remember, it's okay. Remember the love that you have for each other is forever. We've all been witnesses for this special day, and therefore having made the foregoing promises and having shown your willingness to become husband and wife, therefore by virtue of the power vested in me by the Constitution and the laws of the state of Illinois, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.